Hey you guys, it's Miss Shelby again, and what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do is how to do a little art project. So what you want to do is get a black Sharpie or marker or pen or pencil, whichever you prefer, and you're going to write your name. Just like that. And then after you write it one time, you'll write it again right on top, just like this. And then after you do that, you're gonna write on top of your name one more time, but this time in cursive. And if you're unsure about how to write in cursive, I would suggest you find a video on YouTube on how to write your name. So after you do that, then you'll get some more markers or colored pencils or pens. And I have pinks and purples and one blue, because these are my favorite colors. And then you go through and you color in the little bubbles.